Got something a bit different today. My girlfriend got the new iPhone 15, which I think the 16 is now out at the time of making this video. But it has that Magsafe thing on the back of it. I kind of liked it, kind of didn't. But I think with accessories it's nice. But when I'm sleeping at night and I pull my phone off the charger, I really don't want it to like yank the charger with me. That's the only downside I see about MagSafe. Other than that, I kind of like, you can't fully trust the stuff. I see people putting their wallets on there and everything. It's eventually going to fall off. And mine has fallen off. I went ahead and unboxed this already, but I decided to make an unboxing video and show you how I did it. And I totally forgot the product I was using this on. So link will be in the description below on these. This is how it came from Amazon. Really nice setup. The instructions are all here. There's a wipe right there. And then wipe 1, wipe 2. So you get one wipe for all these. So it looks like there's two different styles. There is a double-sided one. Oh, there's a black one. Okay. There's a black one, then there's a silver one. There's plenty of them here. Look at all these. There's actually one missing. There's a silver that's on my phone right now. So with these, how I figured out how to install them, I'm going to show you how to install them. Like 3M on there. I'll show you how to install them while you're waiting on that. I'll let you just stare at my phone. That's it on my phone. So the way I installed it, this is my MagSafe charger. When I'm out and about, Android uses a lot of juice. Plus, if I'm live streaming or anything, it uses a lot of juice. Yeah, I could just run a cord to it. I also have a wireless charger, but when it's in my pocket, it doesn't quite line up. There's the silver one. I put it on there. This automatically turns on when it connects. It does have some, well, I guess I'm not doing a review on this yet. It does have some weight to it, but there, finally it flew off. Geez, that took a lot. It'll also go on there backwards, which is weird. I don't think MagSafe does that, but see it work? Look, now I'm just holding. So on this thing, it tells you how to install it. Screenshot if you want. It says iPhone 13, 13 mini, all that. I did something that worked just as good. Also going to show you. Watch how strong it is, because I'm going to put my case back on. Okay. Yep, it let go of the phone eventually. So it is not strong enough. It is strong enough to... Okay, it worked earlier. Did you hear it work? It found its spot. See that? But it's not strong enough. Even though it's on the outside. Because like this is on the outside, and on iPhone it's bedded into the glass. So you think with that little bit of extraness it would be able to, but it's not. So it's not going to stay on there, which is fine, because on days where I'm really using this, that's the days you're going to drop it and break it. I'll just take the case off. Them are pretty sharp, but it hasn't cut me. And then, oh, the way I did it, you see it's nice around there, nice around there, comes right up to there, just like that. What I did was I threw one of these on there, because it could be directional since it's a magnet, but this is metal, so it's going to magnetize to that however you want. And then if you can see that, see there's a circle in the middle. I don't know if yours will have that, but I centered this, centered it like that, and you know it's magnetized on there. Then figured out where you wanted it on the phone. It's going through that thick. Then I figured out where I wanted it on the phone. I liked it, and I left it on this. Then I peeled that off, and I just stuck it on there. Firmly pressed it around, and then slowly peeled it off. And I peeled it off in a corner, that way it wasn't pulling it off. And I just pushed it on. It's been on there about a week, no problems yet. And it's nice to have all these extras for when I switch phones, or if I have an extra phone, or if I have accessories. Accessory phones, I guess. But there is a guide on there. But even on an iPhone, I'd probably install it how I just did it. Up to you guys. But yeah, there we go. I think I did all that right. What's going on? Oh. There we go. Wet wipes. Oh, I did clean mine off with alcohol swab. I just didn't use this one because if I don't have alcohol, then at least I have the one that came in the kit. And then it all goes right back in there. And then you look at this box for the next 5 years and you're like, what the heck is in that box? Link will be in the description below. Thanks for watching.